In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use a ChatGPT extension in Google Chrome. We'll go through the full process from finding the extension in the Chrome web store to getting it ready for everyday use while you browse. This is a simple setup, but it's still important to pay attention to a few details so you choose the right extension and use it safely. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are listed, and it's the safest place to install them. When you're in the web store, use the search bar to look for the ChatGPT extension shown in the video. As you search, you may notice that there are multiple extensions with similar names. So take a moment and make sure you're selecting the correct one. Before installing anything, review the extension carefully. Check the developer name to confirm it matches what's shown in the video. Also, look at the permissions the extension requests. This helps you understand what kind of access it will have inside your browser. It's also a good idea to read user reviews and ratings, since they can give you a quick sense of how reliable and useful the extension is. Once you've confirmed that everything looks right, click Add to Chrome. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will then download and install the extension automatically. After the installation is complete, open Chrome's Extensions menu. You'll usually find it near the top right area of the browser. In that menu, locate the extension you just installed and pin it to the toolbar. Pinning it makes it much easier to access quickly whenever you need it. Now click the extension icon to open it. Some extensions may ask you to sign in before you can use them. If that happens, complete the sign in process as prompted on your screen. Once you're inside the extension, you can enter a question or prompt just like you would in a normal AI chat interface. From there, you can start using the extension while browsing the web. For example, it can help generate text, answer questions, or summarize information from the page you're viewing, depending on the extension's features. As a final tip, always be thoughtful about what information you enter into any browser extension, especially when working with private or sensitive content. And that's it. You're now ready to use your ChatGPT extension in Chrome more efficiently while you browse.